Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jaideep Patil, working as Assistant Professor in AISSMS IIT College Pune. And now in this video lecture, I'm going to explain you optimal storage on tapes. Okay, which is introducing subject design and analysis of algorithm of TAIT 2015 pattern. Optimal storage on tapes. So here a given n program to be stored on a tape. The length of these programs are I1, I2 up to IN respectively. Suppose the program are stored in the order of I1, I2 up to IN. We have the tape of length L, that is the storage capacity of tape is L. Okay. Let Tj be the time to retrieve a program Ij. So it is now required to store these programs on the tape in such a way that the mean retrieval time is minimum. So mean retrieval time is the average time required to retrieve and program stored on that tape. So here assume that tape is initially positioned at the beginning. Okay, so Tj is proportional to the sum of the lengths of all the programs stored in the front of program Ij. Okay, and the goal is to minimize mean retrieval time. So here MRT is equal to 1 by n summation of Ti, where I running from 1 to n. Okay, let's see one example. Here the number of programs is given as 3. Length of programs are L1, L2, L3, that is 5, 10 and 3. We can store these 3 programs on the tape in any order, but we want that the order which will minimize the mean retrieval time. Okay, suppose we store the program in order L1, L2, L3. So in that case MRT minimum retrieval time is given as 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 3 divided by 3. So that is 38 by 3. Okay. Okay, now look at this table. In that case all the possible orders of L1, L2, L3 is given, and according that minimum retrieval time, sorry, mean retrieval time is calculated. So here you can see that in fifth order 29 by 3 is the minimum mean retrieval time, and the solution or stored order is 3, 5 and 10. Okay, this is the algorithm to find the mean retrieval time. So initially sum is equal to 0, and for all I running from 1 to n, we have to check the we have to add the each program is j running from 1 to I, and sum is equal to sum plus length of j programs. Okay, and after that we can calc or MRT is equal to sum divided by n. Here the time complexity of this algorithm, including the time to do sorting, is big O of n square. Okay, this algorithm for more than one tapes. Okay, so here n is the number of programs and m is the number of tapes. So sort the programs in ascending order using any of the sorting algorithm. Okay, so here j is considered as 1, so for tape is equal to 1, and for I range from 1 to n, write append program I to permutation of tape j. So j is equal to j plus 1 mod m, and for this time complexity of algorithm is big of n log n. Let us see one more example. Here we want to store the that is 12, 13, 56, 24, 11, 34, 34, 45. After sorting these lengths, we will reorder this by 11, 12, 24, 34, 34, 34, 45 and 56. Okay, now we are distributing this sorted order. So first was 11, so 11 is added on tape 1, then 12 is added on tape uh, 2, 24 is added on tape 3, and so on. So we will get the minimum time retrieval, okay, for each tape. So here for tape 1, 11 plus 11 plus 34 plus 11 plus 34 plus 45. For tape 2, 12 plus 34, 12 plus 12 plus 34 plus 12 plus 34 plus 56, and for tape 3, 24 and 34. Okay. And for this video I use wikipedia.org and tutorialspoint.com. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.